In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix SEO tutorial, how to set up the latest Wix SEO features in 2025. First, head to Wix and open My Sites in your account. Pick the site you want to optimize by choosing Select and Edit Site. This takes you straight into the site dashboard. From the left menu, open Marketing, then choose Go to SEO. This opens Wix's guided SEO setup, which walks you through the essential tasks for visibility on Google. Click Get Started to begin. You'll see a few prompts. Whenever you encounter a field or dropdown, simply type the requested details about your site, such as your industry or the way people describe your services. Next, choose how your business operates. If you serve customers at a physical location or within a local service area, select that option. If you operate nationwide, worldwide, or only online, like a blog, a digital service, or an e-commerce store, choose the online option. Pick the one that best reflects your real-world presence so Wix can tailor your recommendations. Continue through the prompts, clicking to confirm each section. Now open the SEO and GEO section to handle the core search settings. Start by setting your homepage title for search results. Aim for a concise title that includes your primary keyword and your brand name. If you're unsure, click the Why It's Important link. It explains how titles influence click-through rates. Add your homepage description next. Write a clear 1 to 2 sentence summary that highlights your value and primary keywords without stuffing. You'll also see a field to tell people about this site. Keep that message consistent with your description, so searchers and visitors see the same promise. Make sure there's meaningful text on your homepage. Click Add text to the homepage and include a strong headline and a short paragraph that naturally uses your target phrases. This helps search engines understand your topic and improves accessibility. Enable Allow Indexing so your homepage can appear in search results. Then, connect your site to a custom domain. Using a branded domain is a premium feature and a strong trust signal for both users and search engines. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. Back in the checklist, work through the remaining tasks that make all pages easier to find. Remember, SEO is ongoing. Open the learning links to understand each recommendation. Finally, follow the full Wix SEO checklist in Wix Studio and you're good to go.